Hello, good morning. This is JB from Zkteco Philippines. Let me introduce to you the smart mechatronics of our gate barrier. As we know, the Zkteco is the famous for biometrics technology. Most people start to know about the Zkteco from our time attendance product. However, Zkteco also known the profound technical accumulation for mechatronics. We will need you to know more about the Zkteco mechanism technology from here and show you the different side of Zkteco. Here are the contents. The first one is the smart mechatronics. The second one is the barrier gate introduction, the case studies, and the competition analysis. The smart mechatronics. Here are the technology of our gate barriers right now. The first one is the quasi additive manufacturing technology. So, with the help of high precision laser cutting and lamination technology, the accuracy of each components of the product is greatly improved, which make product lifetime longer compared to the traditional subtractive manufacturing. The second one is the temperature compensation positioning sensing technology. Strong temperature adaptability regardless of winter, summer, barrier gates is able to operate smoothly. And the last one is the PWM and PID closed loop control technology. Supports detection and feedback the angle of boom real time. Barrier gate opens and closes smoothly at high speed status. For the main motor introduction, we have the AC motor, simple and low cost, speed not adjustable. The second one is the brush DC electric motor with a good controllability, easy to adjust speed, brush need maintenance, and noise. The third one is the brush DC electric motor. High efficiency, high speed, maintenance free, no noise, and high cost. And the last one is the servo motor with the high efficiency, high speed, high precision, maintenance free, no noise, and high cost. This is the comparison of the four motors right now. So there is a advantages and disadvantages of the motors. In this comparison, overall speaking, the performance of the DC, of the brush DC motor and servo motor are better than the AC motor. The next one is the reducer. For in this page, there is three types of reducers. The first one is the worm gear reducer with the low efficiency, high precision, easy to wear, and self-locking. The second one is the gear reducer. The high efficiency, low noise, compact size, long lifespan. The third one is the planetary gear reducer. Planetary gear reducer is the high efficiency, compact size, long lifespan, and high cost. So right now, this is the comparison of the three types of reducers. For the three types of reducers, this is the planetary gear is the our main target for the high-end quality and ability and stability. Next. As you can see, there is a comparison of the models of the P10 and also the Pro BT 3000. So let me introduce to you the comparison of each two. The first one is the motor. For the P10, there is a DC brush motor. For the Pro BT, they use the DC servo brushless motor. And then for the reducer, the gear reducer and the planetary gear reducer for the Pro BT 3000. Then the maximum length, the 4.5 meters, and then for Pro BT is 6 meters. And then for the opening speed, it has 1.5 seconds and Pro BT 0.9 seconds. And then for the product position, for the P10, it's a middle end. And then for the Pro BT 3000, for the high end. The next is the parking barrier introductions. P10. This is the middle end parking barrier right now. So here are the features: the DC brush motor, the non-spring, splice joint boom, the lightweight and compact size.
Go.
Then next is the P10. So in this P series, with the unique LED design, P10 has a appealing sequence for the eye catching when the barrier operates. As you can see, there is a product display with the features of unique self-developed LED design, and then the eye-catching color when operates. There is a LED when it operates. Then let me show you the P series. So as we know, changing of boom direction for the traditional barrier gate spring is very hard. So right now, in this case for the P series, it has only 5 minutes to change the direction of the boom. Another thing for the boom, so hit the car to bounce back, then protect the vehicle. So another features of our P10 parking barrier. Boom returns when encountering the blockage, so it will automatically up when there is a car hit the bounce back. It will bounce back. Then once amazing, I will show you. So the DC brush motor, power supply, and air circuit breaker, the connection dock, and LED light cable. As you can see, there is no spring inside for the P series. Then let's go to the P series with the splice joints boom. So the first one is the with 1.5 M with the connection also of 1.5 M, and the next one is the 2 M, and the third one is the 1.5 with the splice joint boom. Then I will show you the video for the multicolors optional. So there is a black, orange, and three colors, three types of colors from P10. Brush motor. So the brush motor, it has a special features. For the P series, the splicing boom takes transportation, it's more convenient. The second one, support left and right direction interchange. The third one is the temperature from negative 35 degrees Celsius up to 75 degrees Celsius. So you can put in outside. So the last one is no spring design. It's easy to adjust. Then let's go to the Pro BG3000 introductions. So Pro BG3000 is the high-end parking barrier. So it has DC servo motor, high performance, high speed, long lifespan, and then energy saving and stable. So for the servo brushless motor plus planetary gear reducer. Right now, this is the compact size, lightweight, long lifespan, stable operation, and low noise. Using the planetary gear reducer with the planetary gear servo motor, it's the combination of our motor right now for the Pro BG. Let's go for the ductile iron. So ductile iron is one of the transmission structure right now for our Pro BG 3000. As you will see, there is a block, means it's a ductile iron ring. So with the corrosion resistance, high strength, good toughness, impact resistance, high bending performance, and strong comprehensive strength. And then for the Pro BG series again, with the anti-collision design, as you can see, there is a humanized LED cabinet, then remote receiver receiving distance, and then LED hole, and then the boom bracket, and then also the boom bracket. For the Pro BG 3000 series, mechanical board. So with the high performance controller, support the interfaces functions, the multiple interfaces, delay automatic closure, the boom angle adjustment, automatic open and power off. So meaning to say, when there is a power off, failure of current, it will automatically open. And then returns when encounter the blockage. So you can see the additional interface in our main board. There is a green in light for the traffic lights. Here in this PPT, there are 3 types of boom length you could choose, and the open speed of each boom as follows. There are support adjusting of the opening angles of the booms. The first one is the 3 meters. Second one is the 4.5 meters with different types, different seconds. For the 4.5 seconds, opening closing is 2.5. Then for the 6 meters is with the 4.5 seconds opening and closing. So change boom direction is very easy. Next is the servo brushless motor. Speaking of Pro BG features, you will be amazed by the high speed of the operation with the long lifespan and very low energy consumption. As you can see, for the Pro BG 3000, the boom will stop or return when encounter blockage, standard package with impact resistance rubber strip. So another features is same as P10 with the support left and right direction for the interchange. And the third one is the standard configuration remote control independent control. And the low power consumption design, saving up to 500 kilowatt hour per year. So it's per year. So it has also LED cabinet door design. Then support delay auto closing time adjustment. So next is for the application scenario. So right now for the application in our gate barrier of Zkteco, we can use for the apartment, factory, market, school, and other establishment. So right now I will show to you the video for Pro BG 3000 with the combination of LPR. So in this video, you can see the Pro BG 3000 with LED lights with using the LPRS. So LPR is capturing the plates of the cars. Next video. Then the next video is about Pro BG again with the connection of two UHF. This is the normal setup right now in the Philippines using the UHF Pro. And then, as you can see, there is a lights connecting from our boom. there is a signal to our boom. Next. So for the system architecture, right now I'll show to you the architecture of each in, in each model. For the parking, Pro BT 3000, you can use the LBR connecting with another device, another machines directly from the software, CK Biosecurity or CK Access 3.5. And then for the next one, they use the P10 parking barrier with the connection of control panel inside. Then if you have multiple products, multiple gate barrier, you can use the Ethernet switch, and then also UHF Pro, and then you can use also the demo software, which is the CK Biosecurity or the CK Access 3.5. Let's go for the competitiveness in the last part. So this is as you can see, it's a different performance, different warranty. So this is the comparison of the two models and brand from Zkteco model and Italian model. So the first one is the motor. We use the servo motor, and then for the opening speed, our machine, it has 0.9 seconds. Unlike for the other brand, it has 4 seconds. So another one is the warranty period. So we give to our customer the 2 years warranty in this model. So that's all. Thank you.